What's up? Mechanic to go. I scared PJ.
Hey.
I was gonna wait till I got somewhere normal. We're just leaving a job, just did some brakes on a Maserati.
Ah!
Fuck it. PJ, can you do the honor, sir?
This nigga about to blow his asshole out.
We'll see. I'm driving right now. We're currently getting to 1604. Don't try this. The box says all kinds of shit, like it hurts.
This shit got warning labels.
Don't eat it if you're pregnant or if you're weak to spicy stuff. I'm a little nervous because I'm driving.
Look at that. That's how it comes.
Comes like that. Oh,
okay.
Read the inside.
Oh, they got a little note to see. It says what to expect. Round 1's gonna be a spicy punch to the tongue. Round 2, a fiery jab to the face. Damn. Round 3, impaired vision from tears. Tears?
I don't know. We'll see.
Round 4, a low blow to the gut. And then round 5, mother say KO.
KO.
It's straight say KO.
You've all seen my gut. Apparently, I think, whatever. So it's gonna take a pretty hard hit.
Woo!
It's wrapped up in this plastic.
Industrial strength. Oh, the mother got 2020 on it. Oh!
Hey, 2020. Might as well.
Goddamn, that's crazy as shit. What is this? Oh, they got a whole little bang in there.
They're advertising all their little bags.
You can get a free bag if you survive this motherfucker. Oh!
Oh, y'all are gonna see this on the truck if I don't die right now.
If this nigga don't die, why we driving?
I think everyone's hyping it. I've done the 4 Horsemen challenge. It's the one at Chunky's, I think it's called.
Ooh, you can feel that bitch in there.
And it's the hottest burger in the world. It was pretty damn hot. I ate half the burger.
Oh,
this thing says don't touch your face or anything.
Shit.
After you eat the chip, wash your hands. But I'm not gonna touch it just in case.
Ooh, that bitch is black. Hold up.
I don't want you to touch it, dog.
Oh,
it smells.
Oh, goddamn. Nigga, it's black. It's completely black with doom.
There's the chip. I've never actually seen it.
Oh, God.
It's a black chip. It smells like mole.
Ooh,
for my Mexican people.
It smells like death.
For my other colors.
Ooh.
It smells like burnt barbecue sauce.
Ooh.
I'm a little nervous now that I saw it's black, but stay tuned next time. Nah, just fucking with you. All right, here we go.
Oh shit! You need me to grab the wheel now?
Are there rules or anything to it? Like just don't drink water?
Do not eat if you are sensitive to spicy food, allergic to peppers, nightshades, or capsaicin, or are pregnant or have any medical conditions. Keep out of reach of children. After touching the chip, wash your hands with soap and do not touch your eyes or other sensitive areas. Seek medical assistance should you experience difficulty breathing, fainting, or extended nausea. The Reaper shows no mercy.
All right.
God.
Let's go.
No, the whole chip, nigga. The whole thing. Are you fucking with it? Oh, God. He did it.
It just feels like pepper right now.
Okay.
It's not super hot yet.
Why is your lips turning black?
The inside of my gums are burning.
Mm-hmm.
Try not to touch. My ear itches now.
Don't touch your ear. Oh, you didn't touch it, though.
It's legit getting hotter. Oh, shit, I already ate it. Ha!
Oh, shit. How you
Let's see how long we go. It's really getting hotter. It's pretty fucking hot.
Oh, shit.
I'm sorry, I'm about to start cussing probably. It's getting worse. Oh, man.
Oh, what the fuck was that?
I got the damn hiccups, dude. Oh, here we go. Let's bring it back. The 4 Horsemen burger all over again.
Oh, shit. Nigga, what the fuck?
My mouth's watering really bad.
Nigga, quit making that sound. You're scaring me. Oh, this is crazy.
It sucks. Because you know how it gets stuck in the back of your teeth a little bit?
Yeah.
I'm scraping it off with my tongue and it's making it burn more.
Ooh.
There comes the waterworks.
It's raining.
And it's raining, but it's my tears.
Oh shit. Okay, y'all can't see it, but I can legit see sweat forming on this dude's forehead.
Started to sweat. The air conditioning's on in the truck. Oh, it burns.
Oh, his cheeks is starting to get a little moist too. You want some water, boss?
Not yet. Ooh, I'm gonna try and do like 3 minutes without. We're on a minute and a half.
Oh, nigga, you.
I'm timing it.
Oh shit. Okay, you really making me nervous, nigga. Like maybe I should have drove while you did this.
It's hot. All right.
See, your boy can't do that. I already know. If I'd have done that, I'd have blew my O-ring out later on, and I ain't down for that. But you know, I support my boss in anything he do.
Everything from the lips.
Huh?
Everything back to my throat is on fire.
Okay, how does this rate against your dad's sauce?
Right now, it's about the same.
Okay, all right. If y'all can't hear him, but he breathing a little funny right now. It's like he trying to catch his breath, and then he makes this little hiccup thing with a squeak.
Woo! It's hot.
I ain't never seen sweat on a motherfucker's ear, the top of a motherfucker's ear.
We're at about 3 minutes. All around here is starting to sweat. In my beard, it's hot. My mouth's real watery. It hurt. I have to like float my tongue in my mouth because it hurts to rest it down. I don't know. It sounds weird. My eyes are watering already.
Oh God.
It's not. Ooh, it's not as bad as the Four Horsemen. The Four Horsemen, I legit couldn't breathe. Well, okay, hold on. Let's get to the time I was at the Four Horsemen. I ate the Four Horsemen. I was like at 10 minutes before everything started to hurt. My lips were starting to swell a little bit. It's serious though. I don't regret it. I don't regret nothing. Damn. 2020, might as well. Legit though, my ears hurt. That's weird.
Wow. Like they.
It's all the symptoms of the Rona. I'm just kidding.
Oh shit.
Fucking with y'all.
Woo. God damn.
We're at about 4 minutes. I lost count. I really don't give a fuck.
We are
The timer was at like 3.5 when we started.
Yeah.
When I ate the chip.
He's about 4 minutes in right now.
It's weird because like my gums feel numb until I touch them with my tongue, and then it hurts. Then as long as I'm not breathing, the pain gets worse. It hurts. It really hurts.
So it hurts to breathe?
Like no, it hurts to stop breathing.
Oh, well don't do that then.
Like when I breathe in, it cools my lips down. The second I stop, it feels like someone's rubbing sandpaper on it. I'm not gonna make this video super long. We're gonna go to about 10 minutes because I found a lot of sound effects on my video editor. And I'm gonna put some like explosions and stuff.
Yeah, because right now you would see sparks and shit flying from this nigga's mouth.
Oh, if you stuck around this long, thumbs up me. I'm crazy. I do stupid shit.
Let us know y'all on here, because this is some crazy shit.
And we fix cars. We don't just do stupid shit.
Yeah.
See that? Okay, to go.
We just did brake jobs on the Maserati.
Share us. What's the date? The 17th?
17th?
Today's the 17th. They sell those. Everybody's looking for them online. They're sold out. Woo! Woo, man, it's getting harder to breathe a little bit.
Oh, shit.
I found this chip. There's actually a stand at the Valero on Bitters and 281 in San Antonio. It was like $4, $3.99. There's a lot of them right now. It was morning when we got them. It's about lunchtime right now. Oh.
How you doing?
I'm okay. It's hot. It feels like it's going away, but now my stomach's starting to hurt.
Oh.
But not like a horrible hurt. Like
just like you just ate something hot.
It's like you ate something hot that's fucked up. But well, okay, let's go to. Wait, if it's at 9:30, it started at 3:30. I'm at 5 minutes already.
Yeah.
I'm at 6 minutes. All right, I'm gonna drink some water.
Now look.
Let's see what water does.
I'm doing a disclaimer. I'm thinking if you drink water, it's gonna make it more worse because you making more juice. But he probably need to drink this to calm his shit down. We'll see.
literally does nothing.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Damn, water didn't cool it down.
It feels like it moved all the loose shit. Oh man!
Oh,
It feels like it scraped the back of my throat.
shit! Goddamn.
Okay, so as long as there's water in your mouth, it feels better, and then it feels worse when it goes away. Oh shit! I mean, if you eat hot stuff, you can survive this. It's gonna suck for a little bit. Runny nose, eyes, and shit, but it's not that bad.
See, he just thinking about right now. I'm thinking about the later when this shit get through a system and hit the exit. That's when you gonna know. Then they screaming, "Come on, ice cream!"
Ice cream's a fantastic idea. Whew. But
Oh no, Chris and kids.
Chris and kids, Rasbal, Chris and kids, West Side.
What's up?
It's going away.
Really?
It's hot. It's like my throat's sore now, but sore like when you've been coughing a lot.
Okay.
But it's calming down.
Like you're not some that good.
Water, I would say, not the hottest thing I've ever eaten.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
It didn't last long. It doesn't have a lot of lasting. Well, I have a fat face and a fat stomach, so we'll see.
Plus your dad makes a 7 million degree chili. So you done had a little warm
I'll
up.
put in the description below how much time it actually burned me after I stopped. But like, please subscribe, share. Let me know what other stupid shit you want to see us do. I'm from the time of Jackass, so I'm down. Deuce, Mechanic to Go, San Antonio, Texas. Follow us. Like us on Instagram.
Get your car fixed.
We're out.
We can do that.
We can do that. So I'm home right now. I'm with the wifey. She's making fun of me. I left PJ. I ate the damn chip. And for whatever reason, everything like went away. No more face burn, mouth, nothing. 2020. But oh my god, the stomach pain is fucking horrible. I had to pull over once driving from PJ. He lives like 8 miles away. I pulled over once to puke on the side of the road. I would definitely say the stomach pain is worse than the burn in the mouth and everything. It's been about 30 minutes since I ate the chip, and it hurts. Like the deep gut hurts. Cause damn, it kind of hurts to sit down a little bit. It's not as bad as the Four Horsemen burger, but it's pretty damn bad. Like if you can't take hot stuff, I don't recommend doing this. It's dope. In like 2 days when I'm better, it's gonna be fun to say I did it. But
yes, it will take about 2 days.
Wifey knows best. Don't forget, Mechanic to Go. I did this for y'all. Follow, like, subscribe. I don't even know what to say. I'm just trying not to puke right now. But I'll check back in when everything goes away, see how long everything lasts. Alright.